Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat ban-in. Let's get started. First, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Snapchat, and check for any available updates. Next, try clearing the app data. Tap and hold the Snapchat icon, then tap the Info button to open the app settings. Now, go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Clearing cached data can help resolve minor issues that may be linked to your ban. The final thing you can do is contact Snapchat support directly. Open your browser and search Snapchat support. Click on the official link, scroll down, and tap on Contact Us. Fill out the form and submit your request. The Snapchat team will review your case and may help lift the ban. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.